Hi, this is Alex, your natural disaster survivalist, and I'm here to get you through an earthquake. First, I'm going to tell you what an earthquake is. An earthquake is when two tectonic plates rub against each other. This usually happens in the lithosphere, which is usually 50 miles below sea level. Rub together on the fault line. The place on the Earth's surface where the earthquake happens is called the epicenter, but the place where the earthquake occurs is called the hypocenter. Not all earthquakes are large. Some are smaller, and they are called foreshocks. Large earthquakes have aftershocks that last weeks, months, and even years after the main shock. Earthquakes are measured on a seismograph using the Richter magnitude scale. The scale is measured in tens. Fun fact, a magnitude 10 earthquake could never occur because the fault line would have to be the size of the circumference of the Earth. Some people imagine an earthquake just as a shake and everything else is alright, but earthquakes can do a ton of damage. Earthquakes have caused $30 billion for the U.S., and they can cause collapsing buildings, property damage, and death. Earthquakes alone have killed 385,630 people between 1980 and 2008. You can prepare for these by staying aware of alerts and preparing for aftershocks. And just know, a watch is the possibility of it happening, but a warning, there is one coming for sure. So be prepared and have a disaster kit and a plan. Here in Delaware, we had one in 2011. It was a 5.9, and it wasn't very serious.
Don't forget your dog either.
Even though earthquakes are scary, they are pretty interesting, and here's some interesting facts about them. The largest U.S. earthquake was a 9.2 in 1964 in the state of Alaska, but the largest ever was a 9.5 in 1960 in the country Chile. The earliest recorded earthquake was in 1769 in the state of California. California has had 10,000 earthquakes, and there's only been 500,000 earthquakes recorded.